And engineering is the closest thing to magic that exists in the world. Only here we can find creation beyond an ordinary imagination. Hello, myself Anushka Vaibhagunjar. I am a first year computer engineering student of Azil College, Pune, going to represent a smart street light project using IoT done by me and my team members Harshada, Vaibhav and Harsh under the guidance of Aparna Mote ma'am. These are the contents of our project like introduction, system architecture model wise, requirement specification like hardware or software, advantages and disadvantages, results and conclusion, and references. This is the introduction of our project which tells us about Smart Street Light Management is a system based on IoT technology. A smart street light system incorporates a cluster of street light lamps that can communicate with each other and provide lighting data to a local concentrator. The concentrator manages and transmits the relevant data that enables dynamic lighting and dimming. If a pedestrian or car is detected, all surrounding lights will brighten until movement is no longer captured. This system helps us in saving unnecessary light. This is the poster of our Smart Street Light project, which includes project goal, introduction, architecture, devices used in project like Arduino, LEDs, IRs and LDRs. This is a block diagram, applications of our project, conclusion, future scope, etc. This is the system architecture model wise, which gives us a visual idea of our project. And this one is the video of our project. Of our project like hardware or software. Hardware used is Arduino, IR sensor, LDR, 10K resistor and LED bulbs. Software use is operating system Windows 10, front-end Python and IDE Tinkercad. This is the coding of our project using Python language. These are some advantages of our project. Since automatic street light systems feature no moving parts, they require less maintenance than conventional street lights. There are lower chances of the automatic street light system overheating and risk of accidents is also minimized. Cost of operating automatic solar street lights is far less when compared to the conventional street lights. Smart solar street lights can be put up in remote areas, even in places that are not accessible to the grid, and so on. These are some disadvantages of our project too. Like the automatic street light system requires a higher initial investment in comparison to conventional street lights. Generation of energy for solar street light entirely depends upon the climatic conditions. Rechargeable batteries of the automatic street light system are required to be replaced a few times. Snow, dust or moisture can accumulate of PV panels which can hinder energy production. These are the results and conclusion of our project. Smart street lighting consumes the energy efficiently with the help of solar panel. It also reduces the manual work of controlling the lighting systems. Luminosity measurement is made by LDR and the intensity of street light is controlled so the power is utilized when it is essential. Here are some references link that we have used in creating our project. In the end, I would like to say, unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. I would like to thank the overall team of PayBL Activity for giving us such a great opportunity to showcase our talent and implement our ideas. And also special thanks to our mentor, Mote ma'am. Thank you.